stop right now. How many hours did you spend yesterday doing nothing? Not sleeping, not resting, nothing. Scrolling, watching, waiting, procrastinating. Here's the secret nobody tells you. You're not lazy. You're scared. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why and what to do about it. Because your life isn't long. It's shorter than you think. And today, we fix that. Think about your life right now. You have dreams, right? A language to learn, a skill to master, a person you want to become. But every single day, something happens. You wake up with plans. Then 5 p.m. comes. You look back. Nothing. Zero progress. It's not your fault. Your brain is designed to be comfortable. Your phone is designed to trap you. Your habits are designed to keep you stuck. So you stay, day after day, year after year. And the worst part? You know it's happening, but you do it anyway. Here's what I learned. Life isn't about having time. It's about choosing what matters. You have the same 24 hours as everyone. But some people build empires. Some people learn languages. Some people change their entire life in 1 year. Why? Because they made a decision. My future self matters more than my comfortable present. That's it. That's the secret. So here's what you do today. First, write down one thing you want to achieve in the next 90 days. Second, remove one distraction, delete one app. Third, spend just 30 minutes on that one thing tomorrow morning. That's not motivation. That's decision. Your life isn't wasting away. You're choosing to waste it. But you can choose differently, starting now. Don't waste your life. Build it.